Sending user agent using requests library in Python. I want to send a value for user agent while requesting a web page using Python requests. I am not sure if it is okay to send this as a part of the header, as in the code below. The debug information isn't showing the headers being sent during the request. Is it acceptable to send this information in the header? If not, how can I send it?
The user agent should be specified as a field in the header. Here is a list of HTTP header fields, and you'd probably be interested in request-specific fields, which includes user agent. If you're using request v2.13 and newer, the simplest way to do what you want is to create a dictionary and specify your headers directly, like so. If you're using request v2.12.x and older versions of request clobber default headers, so you'd want to do the following to preserve default headers and then add your own to them.
It's more convenient to use a session. This way you don't have to remember to set headers each time. By default, session also manages cookies for you. In case you want to disable that, see this question.
It will send the request like browser.